How's it look? It look good?
You need to take a picture. Let me get your
It's hot. Hold on. Wait till it cools down. Welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Chelly. If not, welcome back for another video. Here on my channel, I do tips, tricks, and tutorials on creating merch, trying new items, and giving you all the advice that I learned from creating my small business, Flash Custom Designs. Today, I'm going to do a sublimation video. Basic, quick video on how to do sublimation. Nothing fancy, basic sublimation. 95% polyester fabric, sublimation printer, sublimation ink. So let's go ahead and get straight into that. First thing that we're gonna do, always important, heat press. While you're creating your design, while you're printing, cutting, all your stuff, get your heat press warmed up. For sublimation, we need it at 400 for 60 seconds. So let's go ahead. I was doing some stuff earlier, so it's at 350. So we're gonna go ahead and get that at 400. At 60 seconds for sublimation. All right, so while that's warming up, let's go ahead. So today, like I said, we're gonna do some quick sublimation. It's been a while since I did sublimation, but I'm gonna do a mask. This is 95% polyester, which, as you all know, 100% polyester can get you the maximum quality of press and color, but 95 is pretty good. So I'm gonna just put my logo on this Flash Custom Designs logo. So I'm gonna show you all how to do that. First thing that we're going to do is, this is just my logo. Make sure that it is measured, get a good measurement on how big you want this. So I want it about 6 inches long, 2 inches wide. So we're gonna go ahead and make it. For this, you are going to mirror sublimation. Today I am using A-Sublimation paper. I do have a link in my description on my Amazon. So far, this is one of the best sublimation papers that I have used. So please use my code. Quick link, take you straight to it, straight to purchase it. Amazing. Today I'm using my S-Pen 2720 sublimation printer. We also have this link in the description as well. And we also have a video, if you want to check that out, on filling our eco tank with sublimation ink. And then we have another video of refilling it with more sublimation ink. We converted this regular printer to a sublimation printer, so be sure to look out for that video. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and mirror this. So it is set on print and cut, but it isn't gonna cut it, it's just gonna print it, so which is fine. So we're gonna go ahead, select printer. Be sure we're gonna take bleed off because it is not cutting it for us. So we do not need any bleed on. For our printer, our S-Pen 2720 series, remember, bleed off. Let's put our paper in here. A-Sub face to the back. Ooh, beautiful. And remember, when using sublimation, the colors are not going to pop right now on the paper. Once heat hits these, the colors will pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. This box here is for when Cricut cuts it for you, but I don't need Cricut to cut it. So I can go ahead and cut this out. Be sure to cut it out because that ink will get on whatever you're trying to sublimate. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Our heat press is at 400 on 60 seconds, so it is ready. So this is my mask. Which side? This goes at the top. And when using sublimation, parchment paper versus Teflon paper, parchment paper. So I'm gonna go ahead. Where's mine? This is a piece of paper. You gonna make it? This is a piece of paper, so I like to use my heat tape to kind of tape it down so it doesn't move. So I'm just gonna get a little tape so it doesn't move. Again, no ink is coming off with this A-Sub paper. If you use other type of sublimation papers, ink will come off. You do have to be careful. So that's why I like this A-Sub, because very easy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and place my beautiful logo right in the center. Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty. Okay, press it down with my tape. We have our parchment paper. I'm just gonna put Teflon over it just so nothing gets messy. There we go, 60 seconds. It is important to do the full 60 seconds just so it can all the way pop. If you do it under, it can undercook. If you do overcook. The colors change if you do too much heat and then they don't all the way reach their capacity with too little heat. So it's important just to do the right amount. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and she's ready. Ooh. It's gonna be so pretty. It's gonna be so pretty. Ooh, I love that highlighter already. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. All we gotta do is just peel it off. I'm gonna bring it over here. Ow! That polyester. Hot. Ooh, ow. Such sticks. Beautiful, amazing. Ink does not smear. The colors popped. It looks great. Let's bring it to the light so you can see a little bit better. Can you see a little bit better over here? I'm gonna make you one. I bought you one. Can you tell that the colors look a little bit better in the light? Doesn't it look good? How's it look? It look good?
Take a picture, let me get you.
It's hot. Hold on. Wait till it cools down.
Okay, baby, you gonna hook it up? You finally
I am. So we're gonna do a 3x3.
That's not too big?
No, you know, this is actually the size that we put on your headrest. So if you haven't seen that headrest video, go ahead and check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and get this going.
Oh, hold on one second. I gotta, hold on.
Babe,
What?
try this mask on because it fits me perfect. I don't know if it's gonna fit you.
Baby, it's the same mask. I don't know what she's doing.
It fits? It don't hurt your ears?
No, they all fit. I like these masks because they seem to fit my face really well.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put in our S-Pen 2720 printer that we converted.
Yes, we definitely converted. Make sure you guys go check this video out. It is extremely good. It's actually my biggest video on YouTube. Yeah, now that I'm monetized now, this video is going to help the whole brand for a very long time. So I'm extremely excited about that. So make sure you guys go check out this video and go check out that video.
Okay, so we're gonna mirror it.
Ooh.
Center printer, we're gonna turn off the bleed.
Turn off the bleed.
Yes. So if you know, you know. If you need or want to know exactly how to do this, check out my video at Flash Custom Designs.
Okay.
I go into all the details and all the tips and all the tricks on how to do sublimation.
Yes, check out her video, because if you check out my video, you're not gonna get all the tips and tricks on my video, but you will on her video. So definitely check out her video, Flash Custom Designs. You guys see the lights in the back, because we've been filming all day. Okay, oh, you already started the printing. Tripping.
You said go with the flow.
I know, yeah, that's the flow. Her flow, her flow. Ooh.
Okay.
That was good.
Straight out of content.
Straight outta
So
content.
let's go ahead. We're gonna cut this out. Cut this black box out around because Cricut is not gonna cut it for us. Why is she still talking?
I don't know, something went wrong with the printer. Oh, there she is.
Okay. So let's go ahead and get this pressed on. So be sure to have your heat press 460 seconds. Very important. That's not true.
She was like, no, I'm not making you a mask. I'm not making you. I need I need a Carl's Garage Man. Carl's Garage Man is gonna be next. Hush, always talking trash.
Oops. Okay. So, get my heat tape.
Ew, you putting your Corona lips on it?
Mm-hmm. Guess what?
Oh, guess what, guys? By the way, we are Corona free. We are Corona free. The whole house, everybody's negative, so we can come out. I can't wait to get out there, hit all these different car meets. Okay. Oh, she's about to do it. Oh. You gotta fold it? You didn't fold yours.
Because I know where my middle, yours is a box. Yours has to be in the middle. Mine's not a box.
Something don't sound right.
It can be free.
Something doesn't sound right.
Did I want to be perfect with yours? That doesn't
It sounds like a setup.
Okay, so, because I know you're...
Y'all didn't know I was a singer back in New York?
Woo, it's hot. Woo.
It's hot already?
Yeah. The heat up here is 400.
It's 400.
Okay, so my parchment.
And did you have to mirror this or did you mirror it?
Why do you hate me?
Did you have to?
Why do you hate me?
Did you have to? Whoa.
I had to soy sauce it.
Yeah. Did she have to mirror or mirror it?
Do you want this, guys?
You
Can't even smoosh it. Ow!
Yeah, you want Daddy to do it?
Yeah.
You already did it. Oh.
You take your vitamins today?
What you talking about?
You didn't take your vitamins
You know what?
today?
That's what we not gonna do.
Babe, this came out so
Babe,
good.
that came out amazing. That video is up on her channel. Make sure you guys go check that out.
Came out good.
That is amazing. And guys, that's sublimation. So you have to tell them a little bit about sublimation because it can't go on all fabrics.
Sublimation is on polyester fabric. That's the only fabric that can soak in all of the ink at its maximum capacity. Anything, 65% polyester, it's not gonna be the best color. This is 95 polyester, 95% polyester, so, and what, 5% elastic? So it did really good with the black. I'm very impressed with this.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Really, really good.
If mine doesn't come out like that, you're fired.
Well, should have mirrored it.
I'm about to take the whole place
Oh,
apart.
babe, look, I'm messing up the wall.
Yeah, we'll be alright. That's what paint's for. Ooh!
Ow, it's hot.
We're in the jungle. We're in the jungle.
Stop, it's hot. I can't even peel it.
It's caliente. It's pica. Ooh, that looks good.
Is it?
That looks good.
Here we go, straight out of content.
Yeah, that looks.
Stop talking like that. Straight out of content.
She hits me.
Baby, it looks good.
Yeah, I like that it is Flash Custom Designs. Yo,
It is
this.
too little for you.
Oh, it isn't. When I go to the car show with my highlighter hoodie, with
You're
this.
wearing both?
Yeah, of course. Like I'm a match. You're lucky I can't find no sneakers like that. All right, guys. So that's gonna conclude this video. We both got our merch. I don't know what's wrong with the light. Yeah, that's gonna conclude our video. We both got our merch. We look crazy. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe to Flash Custom Designs. We're trying to get her to the 1,000 mark like we did me with Straight Outta Content. Make sure you guys go to Flash Custom Designs to purchase all your merch, all your custom masks, and anything that you need. Yeah, it's definitely hot. And you guys know my slogan.
Be safe, be basic,
Ah.
peace.
Stop. I'm hungry. You guys be safe. Be basic. Peace.